Hi guys, what's going on? Wow, man. So rainy, wet, raining hard day here in Atlanta. Um, we kind of bored a little bit. So what I'm gonna do? I just figured I'd fire up the camera and I'm about to. I don't know. I guess some of y'all like to watch this stuff, so I figured I just let it swap out this transmission on this Caravan. Went over 70%. Y'all remember I told y'all if the estimate exceeds 70% of the cost of a unit, they want us to replace it. So that's where we at right here. What was it? P0944 P0868 P. Uh, there's a lot of. I put them in the description, but by the time I wrote the estimate up and compared the data versus the price of a unit and the labor, it came up over 70%. And that's not hard to do anymore because the reman parts are so inexpensive now. Even a compounder, I don't know if many of you know, the 6B has a compounder um, built onto it. Even the price of it dropped. Okay, so I haven't reconditioned a compounder in a long time. So that's because they much rather us replace. It's cheaper to replace them. Go figure. All right, so like I say, I ain't got much to say. I'm just gonna let the camera roll, man. Y'all want to tune in? Just tune in, baby. Rainy, wet day out here, and I'm about to swap out this transmission. So, hey, let's get it. By the way, guys, try not to ever lift up a transmission, or for that matter, get helpers to help you pick up a transmission when you can use this. The older you get, start using this instead of these. Okay, so I'm gonna use the lift to lift up the train and set it down, put the new unit on there, lift it up to put it back on the jack. So don't try to pick this stuff up. It might hurt your back. Whoa, man! I know sitting on 20 minutes. All right, guys, this is gonna be one of them long, boring videos. I'm gonna have to chop this down because I know it's a lot of dead footage in there where wasn't nothing going on. I know how much I hate to watch dead footage, but this is the unit. Uh, Typical 62 TE. So I'm about to install it in this. This a caravan, and it's a handicap caravan. So I had a hard time getting it on the lift or getting it in the air. But I'm gonna get ready to shut this down, man. Like I said, all this dead footage y'all might not want to watch. All right, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna wrap this up. Oh, 22 minutes. I'm gonna have to chop this down. For those of you, I know some of y'all ain't even got patience to watch a 15-second ad, let alone watch a full 22-minute. I admit it's some dead weight in it. I'm gonna try to chop some of that out, but for now, I'm gonna get this installed so I can move on to the next job. It's all about commission, man. It's all about uh, getting one in, getting it out, getting it in, getting it out, man. It's the brutal life I chose. Okay. Now, a couple points I want to bring up when you're replacing the transmission. Hopefully, your scan tool will give you the ability to uh, do a procedure what we call quick learn. Okay, quick learn basically was, uh, I guess the TCM will try to fill up all the clutch packs quickly. Now, you can get around that by simply driving it yourself, but the technicians don't really like doing long test drives. So we utilize a procedure called quick learn. Like I say, it essentially try to fill up the clutch packs right away, quickly. Hence the term quick learn. And one more thing, do not leave out uh, flush the cooler, okay? Especially if you're replacing this because the transmission is burnt. You have to flush the cooler, all right? Do not, I repeat, do not forget that small point, okay? So, the camera acting out. I'm gonna wrap this up, guys. Let me get out of here. What's up with that? So, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Yo.